Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Amartya Sharma, registration number 19BIT0021. And today I will be going through Thycotic Secret server as my identity access management tool. So before installing it on my system, I first had to get a free trial for 30 days. After registering it on the website, I get a confirmation mail from Thycotic community where I get the link to go for the installation phase. So I installed this on my desktop at my D drive, which I named as my registration number and Thycotic, so that it is easily recognizable afterwards. And I downloaded all the necessary requirements, which would be helpful in the secret server. So the next thing after the installation phase I get is a link which will be open in my local host to access the secret server on my desktop. So I go on to that link and here are the credentials. So the next phase after installing is the logging in phase. So with my username as my name and the password as my registration number, I log into the secret server. So this is the home page where all the necessary actions can be seen. And the first feature that I will be performing is active session management. So currently I can go to the home screen and I can see that the current sessions are 0. So active session are 0 right now. And in the personal folders also I have created a personal folder named 19BIT0021 where all the secrets would be stored. So let's start and create a new secret. So first I would be choosing a Windows account as my template, and I would be giving a secret name as Win for now, and machine as my registration number, username as my name and registration number. I will be auto generating the password as we can see from here, and after clicking on the create secret, our secret would be created. So here are all the general details about the secret that I just made: the secret name, the template used, and the password and the username. So the next phase is after the creation of the secret is using the RDP launcher to create an active session. So I would be clicking on the RDP launcher that's present here. Ask to open the RDP Win Bootstrapper. So first I need to connect to the remote desktop connection. And after this phase is done, I can go to the home screen and I can check for the active connections. So the current sessions have been increased from 0 to 1. Thus, knowing that active monitoring sessions have feature have been implemented, I can also go to the personal folder where this secret has been created, and I just created the Win secret right now. So with the general information, I can also go and check for other things as the security settings that are present as for the default template and the audit that records all the logs. So as I can check for, it says that the secret is created at this period of time, and I viewed it, and after that I launched it, and all the necessary actions that I go on with the secret server are being captured and stored here. So I can give you a demo as such. I will go back to the general settings and I would be keying the password. So the password is visible now, and I can go back to the audit now and check if this has been done. So the password display function has been shown in my audit right now, thus verifying that all the things have been audited to and the logs have been stored. After that, we can go to the sharing status and see for the owner and the personal folder, the permission of the folder is inherited to. Also, I can check for the settings. For the general settings, they have been default set as no. So this was the first feature, and for the next feature, after the before going on the next feature, there is also something as downloading all the audits into my personal system. So here is a download button where I can download all the audits into my system in the form of CSV file. So if I click on download, the secret audit CSV file has been downloaded, and I can open it in MS Excel and have a detailed view on it. So as we can see that the date of creation of the RDP server, the full name that I have already used as my registration number, the username, the password, and all the necessary fields have already been checked out, and the auditing process that took take place, like the password displayed I've just shown, is also seen here. So that is also an advantageous tool. The next thing is the next feature that I will be going through is the report generation and auditing. So for that, I will be going to the reports, and for I can choose to generate a report from this report section. Let me go to the active secret sessions first. So if I go to the active secret session, I can view the report as such. I can download it similarly in the form of CSV file, uh, and the secret name that is already active right now. Um, Also, I can go to the audit feature and check what have been done to this secret that has been created right now. And the next thing is about another. So after viewing the report and downloading it in the CSV file, I can go through another uh, activity as a folder activity, where I will be checking the personal folders. So I have created, and I can run a report on this folder activity as well. So for that, I need to click on the run report, and it will show the start date and the end date, also the folder path, that is the personal folder, and the notes such as the root folder that is used. The action that I used is the create to create the folder, and after that I can go to the uh, audit as well for the folder activity, and in the audit I can check what has been done till now, the IP address of my system, where it has been accessed. Several other reports can also be generated as like active secret sessions count. So it displays how many secret sessions are currently active. As for now, there is only one secret session. If there had been any more secret sessions, then I could have downloaded it and checked for the audit how well the report has been generated. So for now, there has been only one active session. Uh, there are other reports can also be generated, like the IP address range audit or the users activity, where I can go and check for the users activity report. So to generate this, the similar method would be chosen, like the run report button, and it will check for all the necessary details. Like for right now, I log into my account and then logged out at this particular time, and again logged in successfully. Also, the IP address has been captured, and the feature of is logged out is false. So it captures all the details that the user is going through the secret server, and how and about the affected user also. The dates and the necessary details have been recorded. One can also download it in the CSV file format. So these were the two features that I used in my Thycotic Secret server. There are many other features as well which could be used in the future work. Um, so the so that's all. Thank you.